Yo, what's up, fam? Welcome to my first sound showdown. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is an audio battle between two devices. To the left right here, you got the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. That's right. Give them a round of applause. Clap, clap. And to the right here, you got the iPhone XR. Come on, give them a round of applause. Give it up. Give it up. Well, all right, everybody. I'm going to go ahead and play two beats that I made, and then also play a video that I'm going to let you guys decide the winner. You dig, because I trust you. You guys are the stream team. All right, everybody. Get on your mark. Get ready. Get set. Let's go. All right, everybody. Here we are at the battleground once again, but this time it's a sound test. I got the damn Google Mini in between these right here because these are rival companies. Samsung right here to the left and Apple to the right has been going at it since day one. So enough of me yapping. Let's make it happen. I'm about to play one of my beats that I produced and made and everything so I can keep it fair. We're going in alphabetical order. I becomes before S. So we're going to start with the iPhone. Let's go. Okay, now let's go to the S9 Plus from Samsung. Okay, that's round one. Let's go to round two. Let's get it. All right, here we go with round two. The first one was a hip hop trap beat and everything with mad highs and everything in it. But let's say you listen to something that's kind of smooth and everything. This one is a trap beat also, but it's more smoother, laid back, you dig? So we're going to start with the S9 Plus first this time. Let's get it. All right, now let's hear the iPhone. All right, that does it for round two. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Here we are. Round number three, the last and final round for this showdown, for this battle and everything. I'm leaving all the decisions and all the judgment and everything to you. You guys pick the winner. Now, in this round, I'm going to compare video playback audio quality. Yes, indeed. Because we all watch YouTube videos or Netflix, anything from time to time on our smartphones and mobile devices. So here we go. We're going to start with the Apple iPhone XR right now.
Yo, what's up, everybody? This is your goddamn Tanna, the bad boy attacking people. And I just took a break from work and everything to let you guys know that I really appreciate you. But also to let you know that I would love to rock with you guys outside of YouTube. Yes, indeed. If you're on Facebook, follow me in my group, Tech Swag and Life. That's hashtag Tech Swag and Life, 2 G's and
Okay, now let's go to the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Let's get it.
Yo, what's up, everybody? This is your goddamn Tanna, the bad boy attacking people. And I just took a break from work and everything to let you guys know that I really appreciate you. But also to let you know that I would love to rock with you guys outside of YouTube. Yes, indeed. If you're on Facebook, follow me in my group, Tech Swaggin' Life. That's hashtag Tech Swaggin' Life with 2 G's and a swag. You know what I'm saying?
All right, everybody. That's the final round. Comment below and let me know which phone is for show. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.